Today, I'll show you how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file using the YouTube audio library. This is a super easy way to get free, copyright-safe music for your videos or projects. First, go to YouTube and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then open YouTube Studio. Now, on the left side menu, scroll down and find Audio Library. It might be a bit hidden, so just look carefully. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of free music tracks and sound effects. You can click the play button to preview any track before downloading. When you find the one you like, just click the download button on the right side. And that's it. The file will automatically download to your computer as an MP3 file, ready to use in your videos, edits, or any creative project. So yeah, it's really that simple to get free YouTube music downloads in MP3 format without any extra tools. If this helped, you might also want to explore more YouTube Studio tips and free copyright music sources for creators. Done.